Good morning. Today is something of a rarity. I have the day off work and I will enjoy that to the fullest extent possible. I'm going to the beach. I love the beach. I love the beach. I am a beach girly at heart is what it is. But first, I gotta get some caffeine at my work. Hey. Yeah. Beach.
What the heck? Are you going alone?
Yeah.
What beach?
Will Rogers.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's a nice day.
You gonna swim?
Yeah.
Everybody going surfing. You just go by yourself, brother?
Yeah.
You gotta go to Jersey Mike's, get yourself a sandwich, some chips, enjoy yourself.
That would hit so hard. The vibes are high today. Off to a great start. Whoops. Look, it's the MPA. It's the trailer rating people. They're right there. I never realized they were next to the Sherman Oaks Galleria, which, can I just say, is the most disappointing Galleria ever. I went there once just curious. It sucks. There's nothing there. Literally the most exciting thing there was a convenience store. It's a couple chain restaurants and a gym and a movie theater. And that's the Galleria. Like, sure, I guess it's neat if you're like a local here and that's your local movie theater, but like, that's not a Galleria, that's a collection of things. If your Galleria doesn't even have a Uniqlo, it's not a Galleria. People in the place, if you wanna get down, put your hands in the air. That's too high for me. Well, drop the beat now. Hey, 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 hey. Dude, it looks so pretty. The water is so blue. The sky is so blue. The sand is so not blue. God, this is a perfect day. I think the weather is 75 right now. The vibes are fantastic. Warner Brothers is filming right there. How cool is that? Yeah, you can see the set and everything. Oh, what a beautiful view. Genuinely, look at that. Oh, stunning. I love California. Woo! And we're here, baby. Will Rogers State Beach. Got my parking ticket. Good to go. Let's go hit that sand. I specifically did not bring anything other than this camera and my phone, electronic, because I don't want to worry about sand, about water. I want everything else that I brought, I can get wet. I guess even this camera I can get wet. Really, it's just my phone, which I guess can get wet, but I don't want. I'm gonna put it in my backpack and then just forget it's in there all day. Today is about experiencing the beach. Moment I've been waiting for. Ah, there it is. There's the sand. The weather right now is literally perfect. It could not get better. 75, a slight breeze, a couple aesthetic clouds in the sky. I'm so happy right now. Oh my gosh, I can just put this in the chair armrest. Look at that, that's perfect. You wanna see my new toy? It's this beach pillow from REI. Check this out. So first of all, you blow it up. And then it has this little bag attached. You fill it up with sand. Then I roll this top. I hook it like this, and now it's weighted. I can put this pillow down and it won't go anywhere in the wind. Isn't that smart? Isn't that cool? Shout out REI, man. This is quite an angle, isn't it? It's so old. Okay, let's go in that water. I don't see a lot of people in the water, which makes me concerned it's gonna be cold. Here we go. Oh, that's cold, but it's not ice cold. Woo! Okay, I take it back. Maybe it's a little cold, but it feels good. It feels refreshing. I need this. Okay. Oh boy. Hey, why are there a bunch of seagulls around my stuff? Hey, 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 hey. Hey, hey. Oh no, they found the bag. Guys, what? Oh, dude. Well, I can't eat this, obviously, because it might be contaminated with whatever. Guys, really? Well, it looks like they did not get into the popcorn. That's good. Yeah, that's not. I'm not gonna risk any kind of seagull sickness for Cool Ranch Doritos. Back to the water. I just gotta fall in. Woo! Woo! Dude, I have not done that in so long. I feel alive. I'm gonna sun off here. Oh yeah. Oh, it's nap time. I'll see ya when I wake up. Oh, I don't know if this camera's gonna capture. There's a herd of dolphins going by. Dolphins! Oh my gosh, that's so cool. What? Wow. They're so close to the shore too. Decided to go for a walk. It's so beautiful. Ow! Except the sand right here is quite hot. Ouch! Okay, I feel like this is about the limit that I can walk before I have to get down these rocks. Okay, I just saw that and thought that was the world's largest sand dollar. I'm gonna head back. Okay, I put on sunscreen twice. Look at that. Look at that. Ow. Ow. I think that's my cue to go home. I'm toasty. As you can tell, I've tried to block the sun as much as possible. Ow, my knees hurt. Look at that. My legs are on fire. I feel like part of having a beach day just for myself is I was sitting there and I had the feeling of just like, I'm good. I'm rested. I'm recovered. I'm ready to go home. So I'm gonna go home. Simple as that. And shower. Oh, I need a shower, something bad. I'm stinky and sweaty and sandy and very happy. It's an energy drink. Just don't drink and drive, kiddos. The La La Land freeway right here is where the movie starts. Directly right here. Do you recognize it? Oh wow, this is so cool. Oh, I gotta stop. Oh, welcome to LA. That's LA for ya. Woo!